What does it really mean to shoot a beauty campaign? Is it just glam, lights, and a camera? Or is it something deeper? As a first-time founder, I've learned so much about business and marketing. There are so many different types. They say that top funnel marketing is for awareness, and bottom funnel marketing is for conversion, and bottom funnel marketing is where we turn awareness into sales. But where does the purpose actually fit in? Where do the people fit in? Today, you're coming with me behind the scenes to see our biggest campaign come to life. Not as an influencer, not just to see the glam, but as a founder, as someone who believes that real connection is the best kind of campaign. I've been creating online for over a decade, and you guys know I love social media, and I love documenting moments. And this moment today, it's not just for the camera, it's for the brand culture. So come behind the scenes and see the stories that don't always make the final cut, because beauty isn't just about the final photo. It's about who's holding the camera, who's in the room, and what it means for me and you to feel seen. We love the drama. Come on, voiceover. Today's shoot is all about that sun-soaked energy, and you guys know Until Dawn, okay? So this is Until Dawn with a twist, with SPF 28. Come on, makeup setting spray with sunscreen. In this shoot today, we created a beach, we created a world, we created a vibe. It's giving fashion forward 2004 on the runway meets Malibu in a studio. This isn't just any old campaign. This is the PatrickStarrr one size campaign, okay? Y'all know this is giving budget, it is giving fierce. You know, one size is not just any old regular beauty brand. It's a space. It's a space to create and have fun and celebrate beauty. And we've got a massive team here bringing it to life. Oh my gosh, we are making one size history today. We're here in Glendale at Quixote Studios. The vibes, it's our first time in history that it just feels like a Hollywood LA set. The team has trailers, Fashions has their own trailer. There is hot breakfast here. This is the one size world. I'm just so gagged. It's so exciting today. The whole team is here. There's Team Star, there's one size, there's so much going on. We are running a little bit late. I have to glam. Today is gonna be a fantasy. By the way, from the mood board and the creative to the set.
Hi everyone, this is Aditya Madiraju.
Hey guys, this is Melinda Melrose.
Hi, I am Olivia Loren.
Hi everybody, my name is Shadi Sin, also Cynthia Victor.
Hey guys, I'm Angelica, Candy Lover 89, and I cannot believe I'm here. Hey.
You know, you're gonna always remember your first beauty campaign. You're gonna remember how you felt and that fierceness, those butterflies in your stomach. And when I see these models that have always wanted to be a campaign, it touches me. And I'm so glad that One Size and myself are able to play a small part in their journey, their big career ahead. And it just makes me so emotional to think about, because, you know, I don't know if I'm getting older or if it's just me getting more emotional. It's just really cool to see the next generation of beauty come up, and One Size is here to celebrate every brand of beauty. Hello.
Hello.
Hi!
Hey.
Hi.
Hello.
Well, I wanted to jump on here and officially congratulate you for being the face of our new campaign.
Wait, the face.
First, I didn't believe it because I've always manifested working with one size, and when I got the call, I was like, okay, it's not done yet. Let's not just say anything. Let's pretend like this didn't happen. I did not want to believe it till the time I got on the flight to come here. That's how I dealt with it.
To be honest, I was completely shocked that PatrickStarrr himself called me. If you had told me 5 years ago that PatrickStarrr would be calling me, I would not believe you. But here I am now in this trailer.
I literally tried to keep it very professional, very demure, and as soon as I hung up the call, I bawled.
I was honestly so excited. I know Patrick from years ago back in Orlando, Florida, and his words and his message was so inspiring to me.
Like I was getting pranked. They're like, it's a surprise. I'm like, oh my God, like please stop messing with my emotions. Like, and then you tell me I was a face. Every beauty girl dreams of a beauty campaign, and this is the perfect one.
I think this is going to be iconic.
Wait, this is actually iconic.
I'm so excited.
This is gonna be insane.
This is gonna be number one.
3 hours later, and this is what it is giving. Everyone looks so stunning. I saw some clips of the photo shoot, the set. The set was literally dead quiet. Now it has come to life. I am finally glam and ready. I was not planning on wearing a wig. This is my wig from our Until Dawn Jumbo shoot. And I said, you know what, let's repurpose, reuse, and recycle. And they wanted me laying down on a striped carpet. So, you know, as a bigger, we don't do stripes and we don't lay down. So, but we're doing it for the shot. So my fabulous team have me in this beautiful rhinestone and poker chips fantasy by Landon with this wig. It's giving, what is it giving, Christina? Mermaid. You know what, Christina has been a day one since Go Off. And so, you know, it's cool that we keep it in the family. Tony has done a lot of my wigs. You know, this is not his, this is my creation where I sewed with my mom, but we're about to go on set. It's gonna be fabulous. And let's shoot for Until Dawn with SPF. You know what the team just said? I said, we are making history. And Paul said, what did you say? Go to Paul. We are making history. I said, herstory. No, this is he, him, his. This is history. I wanna smell like a drag queen. Do I smell like a drag queen if you were to tip me?
Oh my God, that does smell.
It smells like what?
It smells good.
It'd be your family. It'd be your own family, right, Aldo? It'd be your own family. That's why Aldo moved. I'm just kidding.
Oh,
do you approve?
You look perfect. Do I approve? You look better.
It's
than
Hannah,
I imagine.
the visionary with me.
I'm Stitch.
Yes, and Lilo.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Gorgeous. How are you?
I'm so good.
We're fabulous.
Oh my God. Aren't we? It's
You love
giving.
it?
What? I'm wearing someone's mortgage on my body.
I'm very tall, and so.
Guys, how fun do we look? We're dancing.
This has been one of the coolest experiences of my entire life.
She ain't new to this.
This is what you call top tier quality.
Yeah.
Like you set the bar so high. No, I swear to God, you are setting the bar.
Y'all are setting it for me,
No.
girl. I'm just back here. I'm just cutting the check.
And I will gladly cash it.
You got that! You got that! Yeah, his mic on. Oh, mic is on.
To be a part of One Size, it just means everything. It means that younger girls that look like me have a chance. It means universal. It means inclusivity. It means that I'm doing something right. That the young girls back at home can look at me and be like, damn, she did it. I could do it too.
Baby, you already know the slogan. Patrick embodies that in every way with One Size and with himself. Look at this campaign. Look at the different skin tones he has on this, the body types he has on this. I've never seen a Tamil person ever do a beauty campaign, even in Sri Lanka. So to be able to do this and be the face of this campaign, this is a huge deal.
It means that transgender women like myself have a voice, are seen, are valid, and we are here to shine.
As someone who has never just been, you know, a specific size, you know, look-wise, to me it means the world because I'm a Latina. I do a lot of my content in español, con un poquito de sabor, de sazoncito. It just feels great that this brand is very inclusive. It's for everybody. It's literally for everybody.
It means that I am included and people finally see me for who I am and I don't have to hide anymore. Oh my God, that got really emotional. Hold on, guys. Wow, don't ask such questions when you're doing glam, guys.
So when you have a brand and a business, you have to be so disciplined. And you have to be disciplined with your finances. You have to be disciplined with your spending because you can very much go into debt. And when we think about marketing, we have budgets, we have goals we want to hit. But once you hit a certain point in your business where you're able to reinvest in the things that you love, the things for fun, this is what it's all about. I've worked so insanely hard with my amazing team for the past 5 years to then be able to do this. A fun fact for businesses, when you start a business, you are in debt 3 to 5 years. So it is normal to be digging in your pockets for cash to reinvest in inventory, product development, research, innovation. And we've done that. Once I've done a really good job of doing that. But when I take a step back and look at all the hard work and the discipline, the financial discipline that I've been able to implement as a founder, it's so sickening. Along the way, I have made sure to stay true to myself, stay true to my goals, stay true to my values. I have not sacrificed anything at One Size aside from just spending on like the fun stuff. But here we are with a beautiful shoot, and to see their faces light up. Cynthia was crying earlier. I'm paving the way. Y'all better. I'm holding the door open. Y'all better go through. Yeah. We'll touch you up, girl. She needs a touch up. Yeah. Like probably 10, 15. Let her cry it out, girl.
My listing.
And I'm like, this is what it's about. It's like holding the door open, allowing them to see themselves in a brand. And I'm just here to be a steward to their message, their dreams. And it's so cool that I'm able to document this 13 years later, still here on YouTube, for you guys to witness and to see all of my friends, my family that have been with me for the longest. It's even more of a dream come true. So when you have the real ones around you, real ones attract real ones. So today, our cast is so fierce, so real, and I'm very honored that you guys are able to witness us making history for the first time, because you can never repeat your first.
I'm always watching. I'm always watching.
We went from the beach to the beach house. This is giving the beach house set. We got clothes drying for my laundry. We got a bartender back here. We're here on the patio. And everyone kind of got like a fresh update, a refresh in the makeup, because we've been filming all morning. Now the whole day has just flown by and we're literally almost done. So cool, so blessed, so grateful.
Guys, can you believe they shoveled all the sand from Long Beach? Look at that. They are shoveling all this back to Long Beach. They have to return it. Isn't that crazy? Andrew just knows what he's doing.
This is Aditya Madhuraju.
I am Olivia Loren.
I'm Cynthia.
I'm Candy Lover.
My name is Melinda.
And makeup.
And makeup.
Makeup is a one size fits all.
One size fits all. Period.
All right, that's a wrap, everybody.
This camera, is it gonna stay?
Yeah.
The way that the camera is set up right now has me crazy. How many phones would you say were on set today?
30.
So our camera guy, Johnny, guys, Peter, tell them what, guys, say hi to Peter. Tell them what Johnny said. Can you help me take off my bottom lashes? Guys, once I put these nails on, I can't even take it. Not you, Peter. Jose. It's Peter be ripping out my real lashes.
No. Our videographer, Johnny, who has been with us for many, many years. He actually started with us back in 2017.
Yeah.
Back then, it would just be Johnny, myself, Fabian, and Patrick filming all these videos.
Those Fashion Week vlogs, guys.
Yeah, those Fashion Week vlogs. It was just a very, very small team. Today, with the amount of people that were there. No, he was just like, oh my
He's
God,
rushing.
no,
Yeah, he was like, I was like, who are you?
There were so many people on set today. There was like 150.
Oh my God,
There
how
was so
crazy,
many,
right?
so many people, but there's so many like teams, which is crazy to think about too. But it's awesome.
I even caught some of the crew taking videos of me. I'm like, you are not no social team.
Yeah, there's the One Size Social team. Then there's Team Star. Then there's also Andy's AV team.
I didn't even know we were doing like interviews, you guys. If you guys want to see some interviews, you guys have to subscribe to the One Size YouTube channel. We're gonna do more behind the scenes there. Also, we did like profiles because I wanted, the One Size team to like highlight, the talent and get their point of view. So there was like this whole lounge set up with, you saw all them expensive snacks.
Yeah.
Oh
yeah, there was a full on
me and Peter opened it.
Yeah.
We literally were like, what is this? They had like 3 different ones with like fresh, like organic meals. We said rich. Where?
Rich. Next to the VIP lounge. And like the craft services was restocking it every 5 seconds.
Literally every 5 seconds.
And new cookies every 5 seconds.
No way.
Jose got the lot.
And no one offered me a cookie?
I just say, hi, I'm Jose, and I got...
Hi,
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Hi, I'm Jose, and I got all of the chips that we have.
What was funny in our dressing room, where Tony was like, "Why is the makeup not sticking on your body?" And she's like, "Something, is it the latex?" And I'm like, "I don't know. I think it's the latex lube."
It was this.
Show them.
Body butter.
Why did I have Jose lather all over my body and then expect her to put all this body cream on my makeup today?
Body oil, whipped argan butter.
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Do not tell her, please.
No wonder she had so
Do
much
not tell
trouble.
Tony. I hope she don't see this video. You know what? I felt like I had the dream team today. Like the hair, like everyone that I've worked with for hair, like Christina, Chewy, Tony, Maurice, like all the makeup, the glam team. There was even like social media correspondents that we work with, Tamara, Ivan. That was so cool. They were like, our social media team was on point. Also the models, like, you know who surprised me? Melinda. She is literally
she's so sweet.
She's like a Disney princess, right?
Yeah.
She's so like high energy. I was like, oh, thank you for being with us. It's such a long day. She goes, I love this. I was made for this. The photos turned out beautiful. Jessie killed it as always. Jessie has a whole little team. Yeah. They showed them in that little dorm room.
Oh yeah. Whenever he saw your dressing room, he's like, I should have been set up in here. But everybody was really good.
One Size team was fierce, was sickening. Today was so good.
I got asked out on a date.
Yeah, by one of the dancers, one of the suspenders.
They both have suspenders. Who?
When's your next day off?
When's your next day off? I was like, oh, like next week.
Oh, really?
And then he goes, but what day? And Juan goes, and then Jay Juan.
Come on right now. And then the guy said, can I get your Instagram?
And Jay Juan's like, and then Juan's like, I wouldn't do that. I'm like, yeah, Juan's classy. And then
415.
and then as we're having this conversation, this is the dancer. See you.
You literally
to Juan, and all of us are like this.
As we're having this conversation, as Juan is saying, I wouldn't do that. I'm a classy girl.
What I've come to realize is that no matter what age, no matter where you come from, when we're trying something new, you're always gonna wanna like question, am I on the right path? Am I doing this for the right reasons? And I am always constantly questioning if the decisions that I make every single day are worth it. But you know, I've also learned to take a little bit of grace, take a step back and realize how far I've come. And it's days like this that make me realize days like this are worth it. Days like this are meaningful, they're intentional. It's not about virality, it's not about sales, it's not about views. And again, like I said in the beginning, it's about the people. So to all the models today, to everyone behind the scenes, that's why I love showing you guys all of this footage. It's worth it. And hopefully we can do it all over again and fulfill our purpose of why we're meant to be here. And that's to connect.